Hello, in front of me I've got RAM 1500. In this video I'll show you key fob functions. In the beginning, let's check if this car is equipped with remote opening and closing of the windows. To check it, let's try to close them. To do it, press and hold lock button. As you can see, it's not closing, so let's press and hold open button to see if it's opening. Unfortunately, it's not equipped with this either, but thanks to this key we can use panic button, and also we can remotely start the car. To do it, press and hold this button twice. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.